Hello Year 3. Our topic for science this half term is going to be light and shadows. This is session 1 and today we're going to look at what is light and how does it behave. We're going to do an activity that helps us look at both of these questions. So today when we're doing our activity we are going to be scientists, and when scientists like to investigate they try things out and see what will happen. They are always asking themselves the question why, and that is what you're going to do today. As you play this video, you may want to pause it at each point, carry out that part in the activity, and then press play again and go on to the next slide. You will find under Resources a record sheet with a space to record each part of the activity and what you may have found. It also gives some directions as to how to use the record sheet. For example, it's okay to lift the box just to check the position of something if you would like to write that down on your sheet. For this activity, you will need a cardboard box, a sharp pencil, a torch, and about 5 small household objects. So you may want to pause the video now while you go off and gather those things if you haven't done already. And you're going to have to adapt that box slightly because what we don't want to have is a double layer of cardboard. So if your box has flaps in the bottom of it, you're going to cut those flaps off. You can see that in the second picture on the screen. First, you're going to turn your box face down on the table and fold out any flaps. If you were inside the box, what do you think it would be like? Hopefully, you thought dark. Why is that? Because no light can get inside, and darkness is the absence of light. The second thing you're going to do is choose a few items from around your house. You're going to arrange them under the box so you have an item in each corner and a few in the middle. If your box is quite big, you will need more items. Here are the items on top of the box in the picture, just to show the sort of arrangement you could do. Can you see they're nicely spaced out? Make a hole in the top of the box using a sharp pencil. Be careful not to have your fingers anywhere near the pencil when you're doing this. Look into the box through the hole. What can you see? And I want you to think about why that is as you're doing it. Next, make some more holes in the top of the box. Each time look down through one of the holes. Can you see any of the objects inside? Why is that? Try making a few holes on one side of the box. Can you see the objects when you look in from the top? Can you see the objects when you look in from the side? Have a think about why that might be. Try shining a torch into one of the holes and looking through the other. What can you see in the box now? Why is that? When you've completed your activity, there is another video to watch exploring what we have found out. You will see that there's a record sheet that you can use as you go through your activity, and it's a good idea to have that in front of you when you watch the next video to see if your findings match the findings in the video. Good luck and have fun.